Hello, I hope you're doing well. Today, I am going to make a short video. Last August, I joined Andrew Muborn's Brand 30 cohort, hashtag Brand 30. Today, I want to create this video as a gratitude video because I've learned so much. And I want to do that in a form of unboxing what I've learned. Okay, let's do it. So here we go. Let's open up the first box. I do have 2 boxes for you today. And here we go. I'm going to open it up. Ta-da! Okay, unboxing. And first thing I learned on our first day, more unboxing. I'm not as suave as those unboxing professionals, but there you go. I purchased a clock. And the first day I learned constraints. Today, I use the Pomodoro technique to write. I learned to batch my days, 30-minute meetings, yes. 5-minute breaks, yes. And I will say that on the calls. I apply this to my 30-minute LinkedIn engagements, yes. 5-minute breaks. And then my favorite thing of all is, of course, writing junk and editing for 29 minutes straight and getting my dopamine hit by hitting post in the last minute. Let's take a look at what else I learned. Let's look in here. The constraints help me focus. It helped me go deep with my style. I learned gripping headlines. I've learned great formats that are readable. I learned how to use emojis, how to use the hashtags. My content got better because I posted every day. What else did I learn? Ooh, this one's fun. Are you ready? Okay. I learned to stop being so serious. I learned how to be kind to myself. I learned how to stop judging myself because I am not perfect. And having fun resulted in, let's open the last box. You ready? Here we go. Let me turn on the light. It's a box within a box. Resulted in people DMing me to give me their you got that right. People are DMing me to work with them and to put together a program to teach them what I'm currently doing. What does that sound like? It sounds like thank you, Andrew Muborn, for giving us the gift that keeps on giving, which is copywriting. Thank you.